Alright guys, welcome back to MineSpree. Here with
Up.
Ryan again. It's kind of a mystery who will join us on episodes. I don't even know if Jared's going to be coming back. He made it for the first episode, but then kind of would have expected him or hoped he would have checked that his computer would run the game first before trying to join the videos. But maybe
Figured it
eventually,
would, because he
maybe.
does a lot of. Does he do a lot of PC stuff?
I mean, he primarily played like his whole review channel, Your All Jarhead, is based on like a lot of older games. Like he's done like the not even the remasters, but the old Crash Bandicoot games and the old
Right.
Spyro games. But he plays a lot of like old school. But I think he likes screwing around in Minecraft. Like I generally think he like seemed excited to play, but I just don't think his computer's just letting him play. I don't know why. Maybe he'll try and figure it out, being in an episode someday. But yeah, Nick's kind of a mystery character too. Um, so what we've gotten done. I played a lot today, but I really didn't do much except for I made a god. I finished my god tier weaponry right here, and pickaxe. This pickaxe can hold on. Ready? Do I have? Oh, I do. So there's tin ore right here. Usually give you the block, but we have smelting on, and I have fortune. So instead of it just giving me one, that gave me two, and it auto smelted it for me. That also gave me two. And then my sword,
Ow.
guess it didn't do as much to Ryan because he's got pretty good armor on,
Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh no, I'm almost dead.
but it's got Unbreaking 3, Decay, which makes a withering effect go on, Knockback 2, Sharpness, Insight, which makes you get more XP, Fire Aspect, and Looting 3. Um, and then I upgraded my armor a bit, but really only thing good are my boots and my helmet. The rest of my armor is just kind of eh. But I also made an XP farm, so we'll go check that out. It's not done yet. I want to like make it nice. Okay, Ryan put
Right.
skeleton heads all over the wall.
Yeah.
But basically they come out of there. It's a skeleton spawner, and you just kind of wail on them.
Do that.
But with insight, you get like Ryan killed one and went from level 0 to a level 11. So
I'm at level 36.
nice. Um, but I'm going to make another. Oh, I also did this last night when I was working on this. I made an improved blast furnace, but I'm not having fun with that mod, so I don't know how far I'm gonna go with that. But today I'm gonna make another Nether trip because now that I finally got looting 3, I'm gonna go because I really want the portal gun, and to get the portal gun you need a Nether star. And to get the Nether star, we need Wither skulls to fight the Wither. So that's gonna be my mission today.
Mission is to get the farm looking nice.
All right, you do that. I was gonna do that on like a off-screen thing, but you can do it. So we've been doing a lot off camera, and I feel bad. But I was kind of thinking maybe tonight, Rye, we get off of our computers for tonight and go play I don't know, Xbox or something.
You do that.
Just because we've been playing this, we literally have been only playing this server nonstop for the last couple days.
Uh, what do I need?
can hear my brother downstairs. My older brother, younger brother, is talking to my youngest brother, and I guess he's asking him like what he wants to eat, and I think he's gonna make him cereal. Or no, he asked him. He said, "I'll just kind of fill in the blanks." He said something like, "Do you want mac and cheese?" And he yelled like at the top of his lungs, "No, I want cereal." What the? Oh right. So I just got real confused because I attacked those guys and they hit me, and then they just left. But I have a enchantment on my boots called Repellent 4, which when attackers hit me, it has a chance for them to get teleported away from me.
So yeah, I'm guessing emeraudic. Probably the best.
Yeah. Well, you can also get like later on. I don't know if it's better, but later on if we get kind of into Botania, you can get like Mana Steel and stuff like that. And there's like the cool armor that you can upgrade and stuff that you can get. I don't know.
Right.
Thinking about maybe looking at jetpacks. I'm gonna eat a BLT. Come at
I'd
me,
one of
Scrub Lord.
those. I don't know where I found it.
By the way, that ocelot pet, where did you find it?
In that like the mini stronghold thing I said.
Yeah, I looked it up in the the inventory thing that tells you where you can find stuff and how to get stuff. Oh no, you. It said that It also tells you like if it's a findable item, like saddles and stuff. It tells you where you can find them. It said that the ocelot one is only available in the end city. That's why I was so confused on how you got it. Like most of them are only, I'm pretty sure almost if any of them are findables, they're mostly like only available in end fortresses. That's why I'm so confused.
Yeah, that is weird.
You guys want to see what insight does you? Ready? I'm level 7. Let's see what it gets me to. Level 19. I mean, I expected it to be big, but I really did not expect it to get me to level 19 like that.
The charcoal? Why are we making charcoal?
Because I need it for the big furnace I made in the basement. We also have a lot of silicone now, because with the smelting thing,
Yeah.
when you make silicone, the way you make silicone is by smelting quartz down. So every time I break quartz in the nether with my pickaxe, it auto smelts it into silicone. Alright guys. Let me eat a chocolate covered apple. And that was a strawberry, by the way, not an apple. I don't know what I'm talking about. But I'm gonna make this jump. Ready? 1, 2, blue skidoo, weekend 2. Oh, no, I just missed it. Alright, I'm dead. Might as well just slash kill myself. I don't want to sit there and waste my armor.
I want to make emeraudic armor, but we only have 8 emeralds. So I'm gonna have to go mining.
Oh, I actually spawned in my bed this time.
Armor can I get right now, though? That's really good.
Diamatic.
But you have to put diamonds in the thingy thing, right?
Mm-hmm. I really
I'll save the diamonds,
I feel like
cause
redstone is honestly like you're good where you are right now. I have
yeah, I think so too.
I don't know if this is better, but I have emerald boots you can put on.
Emerald boots are 5 armor. Redstone boots are 3. So yeah, that would work.
They're a little broke, but
It's whatever. Oh, wait, I have my dark boots, but I have to wait to
yeah, just don't
empower that.
even use them. I only use them when they have. Okay, there's just a. We have a pet zombie pigman out here. I only use them when what's it called? I only use them when I'm trying to get around the Nether, because the triple jump's really useful.
Right.
Wow, I completely missed that. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's like being alive a certain amount of time or something like that. But for some reason, I randomly keep getting a toughness buff that gives me 2 extra hearts. Level 30.
We show the on like the TV screen.
Huh? Oh, no, I didn't show them
We
that.
show everyone.
But I'll show them that in a minute. After I come back. See, I have a client. I have Optifine on as a client side. Just, just to, I was gonna try and see if I can get my computer to run a shaders, which is like when people's Minecraft looks like it's HD in like real life. But
Do
I
you make or find platinum?
platinum.
You have to make it, but maybe you can find it. Yeah, because it says platinum ore, but where? Only rare then? Platinum in this game, like the
Oh, by the
uh,
way, better than
Minecraft.
redstone is if you throw lapis in the thing, which we have a lot of.
Oh, okay. So
Oh, actually, they're the same. Never mind.
you can put 64 stone in an to make a
You
platinum ore
you cut out, and all I said heard was you can put 64 stone into a.
to an orchard or orchid.
Yeah, that's what Botania. Botania is like this magical flower mod.
You have an orchard?
An orchid? No. That's like, that's probably like far away from.
Yeah, it says something about apothecary. I don't know. I mean, another way to get platinum ore though. There's definitely like a way you could find it. If it's an ore, it's obviously found on the ground.
Yeah, it can be found. It's like a 1.19% chance of it spawning. But
So
it's
it's like this
spawn.
game's emeralds in Xbox Minecraft.
Yeah.
Um, I want to find it now. I haven't found it yet though.
Um.
All this stuff we have.
maybe after I'm done, like, kind of grinding the nether, I'll start on Botania. I usually kind of have fun with that.
Alright. Dude, I gotta enchant something. Can I enchant a hammer?
Yeah.
Can't.
Bro, why is there no mobs spawning on these freaking dungeons except for pigmen?
Just need a. Do you need 3 lapis for 30 enchantment or just 1?
3. And did you hear me? If you use lapis and put it in front of the laser, you can get oh wait, no. I said it, but then I contradicted myself. I mean, it's cool looking though.
If you put lapis in the constructor, then what?
It gives you you can make armor with it. You can make armor with it, but it's the same. It's literally the same. I think it's the
Redstone.
same strength as redstone, but it's a little. It's like blue, like dark bluish, and it's kind of cool looking.
Oh yeah, it's called Palace Crystal.
Yeah. Oh, I'm dead again.
Okay.
Actually, I'm not. I think I have fire protection, so I'm good in lava. But I think it still does damage, so.
Serious? I only got an Insight 3 wub hammer. It's good for enchantment, but doesn't do much.
Hence the reason why there's 30 different wub swords.
Hmm.
Can you not place blocks on? Oh, it's because. Yeah.
Why do all these hammers or swords have like on it? Mine only has 1.
What were you saying?
My, no, I guess it's fair. It's just luck of the draw, I guess. Oh, I'm an idiot, dude.
Yeah, I know.
I realized that for a while now, enchantment drop instead of all 30.
What?
Like when you enchant something, it only costs 3 enchantment
Yeah.
if you're 30 or over.
I'm stuck. Okay. Hence the reason why it's been so easy for me to kind of enchant like 40 times.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. Like, how do you get that much enchantment?
To be honest, it wouldn't be that hard either to do it, even if it didn't do that. I literally hit level 30 3 minutes after being in the nether.
Got potatoes now. It's nice. Actually, take those if you don't mind.
I don't really care.
A lot of enchanted books.
Yeah, but they're all short.
They all are short. I have this efficiency 3. All right. Actually, take this efficiency 3. Or are you gonna use it?
I don't need it. I'm being attacked by bees! Not the bees! What is honey used for?
What is the last stand?
I don't know, but I kind of think it has something to do with like Call of Duty Last Stand. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay.
It was unstable. Do you know that?
What?
Stable.
I can't. You keep like you're cutting out a lot.
Right. Unstable.
Unstable, yes. Is it a? What is it? What are you asking me?
What is it?
It's a word that means not all there.
I know, but it's in an enchanted book.
I don't know what unstable does. Look it up. Look up what the enchantment unstable does. This nether is really, our nether has really run its course on me. Because it's just not spawning wither skeletons. Alright, unfreeze game. Come on. There we go. Oh, there's weather skeleton.
Alright. I can take this armor off.
No way!
Go on.
Figures, I'm out here killing all these wither skeletons. And, so, you can find the costume cows, right? The costume cows, are cows. Oh. I wonder if you could breed them. Statues cows, like, I found one that had a nether, wither skeleton's head on it. So it was dressed up as a wither skeleton. Then I killed it. It has the same drops as the wither skeleton. So, figures, I killed this cow, and it drops a freaking wither skull. I've been killing freaking regular wither skeletons left and right and got nothing.
Right, time to see what this hammer does.
I'm at level 41.
Try enchant my armor.
the first magma cream I've seen in this world. Didn't even grab any magma cream.
Very confused.
What?
23 enchantment in my. I just used it all, and it only gave me 8 enchantment.
Huh?
What?
What'd you say?
I had like 23 enchantment in my uh XP tank, but now it only gave me 8, and I used the whole tank.
Did you use the right one?
I'm on my side.
I have no idea then.
Weird.
But what level are you already?
30, which
Yeah,
is
if you're
it probably diminishes as
yeah,
you go up.
it's diminishing. So like level 1 is like probably like one square or one little rectangle for level 3
Right.
or
That
level
makes
30
more
I mean.
sense.
Yeah, so it like caps off. That's where I failed to jump, people. All right, 1 down, 2 to go. Server backup. Thank Christ.
Ooh, protection 3, unbreaking 3, yes.
I hate these things, dude. There's fire bats in the nether, but they make no sound and they'll hit you. But they're
Protection 4, last stand 2. Dang.
they're so fast. My boots are pretty good. I just wish I had what's called on them. Feather falling. I don't have feather falling.
And use XP on my boots or my helmet yet. I'm gonna wait.
Boots and my helmet are the best thing I have because I think I was stupid or I just got really bad with or unlucky with it, but I think I used like a smaller non-level 30 enchantment for my chest plate and stuff. Oh, I just realized I'm playing on computer. Why have I not oh hey.
Make a wub AI is that a thing?
No. No, it's not. I'm annoyed. I'm annoyed. I'm annoyed.
I need 4 more enchantment.
I was gonna change my FOV and raise it because I like playing with higher FOV on computer. But I guess they took it out or because I have The 5 on it probably does something with it and makes it all glitchy. I'm at level 45. I'm gonna start getting rid of some silicone soon because I have almost like 5 stacks of silicone.
Only has 3 deaths. Crazy.
He's only played like 3 nights and hasn't
Oh.
played as much as us, and he doesn't really leave his house. Like we were going and risking our lives in that roguelike dungeon.
Yeah.
This is getting annoying.
On Skellies, come on. Give me some of your XP. So I get a lot of hats from the spawner as well.
Yeah.
Oh, one more enchantment.
I could have chose from zombie or like skeleton or spider. I did skeleton, 1 for arrows, but 2 because I know when we were down in the maybe it's just the lower parts because it gets harder, but in the lower parts the skeleton spawners were also spawning wither skeletons.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
I didn't
I
see one in this yet.
and I don't know if it's just because they were down farther and they were harder spawners, or if maybe there was actually just a wither skeleton spawner somewhere.
Right. Oh. I'm not gonna get to the farm until like next episode if we do another one.
It's fine. I'm at 42 enchantment or 47 enchantment, and I don't know what to enchant. Maybe I'll try and get a good axe. Or not axe. Actually, I can just like what I can do is I can make a wub shovel and a 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, why don't I just take them with me?
Oh, okay, yeah. Desperation. Don't really know if I want that. Is Death Strider again?
Huh?
Strider?
Makes you go faster in water.
Oh.
Bro, why would I need insight for a shovel? Ew. Ew. Get out of my inventory. Both of you. I just enchanted a pickaxe and an axe and a shovel. I got silk touch on the axe and insight on the shovel.
Inspiration 3, Aqua Affinity 3. Alright. Fire protection? Alright. Soulbound? What is that?
No, this is stupid. I got smelting on an axe. Like it's everything's good, but I got smelting on an axe, which I think means that if I break wood, it'll instantly make it into charcoal. That's so stupid. I don't want that. For what does this do?
What's that one? I want a bow and I want a.
Oh, I should enchant a bow. Good idea, Rye.
Problem, man. A bow and a fishing rod is what I want. Because I gotta get cooked fish for that ocelot pet.
I just need to get fish in general because I feel like it'll be another good food.
Wait, no. There's a mushroom pet too. Pulls with mushrooms still. That's
Efficiency and insight. I could deal with that.
Aox bow. Just want to make Bayox bow. This bow.
It's something with the totems and like you have to like actually like make music and stuff. It's weird. And I don't even think it's that good. I think it's a boss you fight and then he drops his bow.
Oh. 1 pound bow, you need a pinium core. Guess I'm good with a regular bow for now. I'm down to half health.
Maybe this bow does a lot more damage than I think it does.
A regular bow?
No, it's a Thunder Force bow. Also, I have an extra Thunder Force if you want to take that.
I guess so. Thunder Force. Draw speed modifier, power
Cool.
multiplier.
Yeah, I guess so. So many unneeded enchantments.
Where's our string at?
Right here. I just dropped it on you. We have way too much silicone. But I think that's where we're gonna call it for the episode.
It's good.
Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.